Attention writers, bloggers, authors, freelancers, and home job seekers. Discover the 3 critical mistakes stopping you from earning money from your writing and the simple secret for fixing them. Read on to learn how to earn up to $1,500 per week or more for simple writing jobs, blogging, selling ebooks and more. Dear friend, if you're ready to earn a full or part-time income from your writing like thousands of others, the next 5 to 7 minutes will be a critical turning point for you. We'll show you how to avoid the mistakes many writers make and steer clear of scams, content mills, and other hidden pitfalls of writing online. While many industries are still struggling from recessionary times, the one job industry experiencing explosive growth is online writing jobs. Companies need your help creating content to attract visitors to their websites, blog, and social media pages. Every day, there are hundreds of quality companies and small businesses looking to hire writers for salaried jobs, freelance gigs and easy writing services. There are more opportunities than they can fill, and we'll show you how and where to find them. But more than that, if you want to take this even further, we'll teach you to leverage your writing skills to start your own business. You'll know exactly how to use your existing talents, or how to outsource the work to others, to create ongoing passive income from home. My name is Ron Douglas. I'm a New York Times best-selling author who's sold over 1 million books and ebooks and been featured on Fox News, Good Morning America, and in People magazine. My partner is Alice Saba, a work-at-home mom who happens to be one of the foremost content marketing experts online with over 20,000 satisfied customers who buy her content over and over again. Together we've helped students all over the world learn how to earn a living from their writing. And through our interaction with them, we discovered 3 critical mistakes that separated the successful writers from the frustrated, broke, and unemployed. Critical mistake number 1, not knowing where to find high-paying writing opportunities. While there are dozens of popular job sites, often the most lucrative opportunities present themselves through referrals, on lesser-known sites, and in private networking groups online. By the time the general public hears of new writing opportunities, it's typically too late in the process. In the Writer Help Wanted members area, we have frequently updated listings and featured job postings which will keep you in the know when new writing jobs arise. In addition to that, we provide you with the insider information and video tutorials showing you how to win these jobs and the following checklists to make the process much easier for you. Critical mistake number 2, simply thinking that writing well is enough. We know you love writing. We do too, but it's simply not enough. The good news is that once you know how to market yourself, it's easy to get ahead. Here's the thing. Most aspiring writers focus on writing over marketing and developing business skills. While mastering your craft of writing is important, it's all in vain unless you learn how to properly market your skills. There are a countless number of highly skilled writers who are struggling to earn money because they lack this one skill. On the flip side, there are below-average writers out there earning steady income because they've learned many of the techniques we teach in the Writer Help Wanted program. Don't let the below-average writer outplay you. You've already got talent and we can help you gain the skills to get that talent seen. As a member of Writer Help Wanted, you will receive our 5-part training modules which will take you by the hand and teach you everything you need to know to earn a living from your writing. Module 1, The Writing Market, Profitable Ideas in a Competitive. Module 2, Get Paid Now, Find Writing Jobs Online. Module 3, From Jobs to a Business, Get Long-Term Work. Module 4, Get Paid While You Sleep, Creating Passive Streams. Of Module 5, Improve Your Skills, Writing Persuasively and Building Authority. Critical mistake number 3, failing to learn from and model successful writers who've already accomplished your goals. Success is often all around us, but most people attempt to figure out everything on their own instead of learning from mentors who've already accomplished what they want to do. Or sometimes, even worse, we try to learn from people we perceive as successful, but aren't where we want to be. Remember when we told you that most writers make the mistake of focusing on writing over marketing? Well, if you're learning from those writers, you're simply perpetuating a vicious cycle that you need to get yourself out of. It's important to learn from writers who not only have writing talent, but ones know how to market themselves to be profitable. If you want to take a quicker route to success, don't do things the hard way. Learn from other mistakes and breakthroughs of truly successful writers and apply that information on your journey. As part of the Writer Help Wanted training program, we've twisted the arm of 8 of our most successful members and colleagues to reveal to you their success secrets. Cut your learning curve dramatically and get the best tips from these 8 professional writers. If you're ready to propel your writing career, check the Feared Blue link in the description. Please subscribe the channel and turn on the notification, like this you will help grow us.